everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. So, ito yung aking first video for YouTube for this year. Tapos, I just wanna share with you guys. So, today is a Friday. It's December 14. Naka-health break kami. So, nagkaroon ako ng chance mag-take ng video kasi medyo busy. Busy sa work. Busy sa lahat. Marami nagkasakit. Etc. etc. So, I just want to share with you guys kung ano yung aking maintenance kit while on break sa Reju. Share ko lang sa inyo guys, no? So, parang December 9 last year, ang gamit ko is yung Niks Skin, medyo patubos na to, peeling cream, tsaka sun defense in itong Niks Skin Mousse. Pero itong sun defense, medyo hindi ko masyado nagagamit. Mas ginagamit ko as sunblock itong Niks Skin Mousse. Yun. So, pangalawang bottle ko na to. Pangalawang peeling cream ko na rin to. Kasi parang yung isang kit nila, supposedly is for 30 days. So, December 9 until January 8 ko siya ginamit. Pero, kulang. So, nag-repurchase pa ako. Pero parang konti na lang din to. And then, ito, medyo madami pa yata. Medyo madami pa siya, guys. So, depende. Depende kung paano mo kasi siya gamitin at ilagay sa mukha mo. Pero ito na yung skin ko. Wala pa akong nilalagay today. I intend to use it more. So habang naka-break ako, kasi nga, today is January 14 na. So, almost 1 week na akong naka-break from my rejuve set. Ang ginagamit ko lang is yung Niks Skin Mousse.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Streets out glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like whoop, oh no. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just see the way like whoop, oh no. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh oh. Walk down the street and I move to the snare. Throw my hands up to the bass like a prayer. Stars shine behind downtown skyline. Don't overthink tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for the rhythm, a sonic romance. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Streets out glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like whoop.
Balik up, while on break, ang gamit ko sa morning is yung Charis na Glow Serum and yung Madecera Better Skin Tone-Up Cream kapag paales ako. So, ito yung sa morning. And then, at night, itong Charis Serum and itong Niks Skin Mousse. Ayan. Ito yung gamit ko while on break. So, morning pa ngayon. So, wala akong toner, wala akong everything. Bali for 1 week, intend ko muna na mag-rebuild muna ng skin barrier. So, ito muna dalawa. Siguro by next week, mag-a-add na ako ulit ng N+ toner ko. Alam niyo naman ko ano yung aking staple na toner. Since naka-health break tayo today, hindi mo, parang wala namang planong lumabas, nakita ko kasi kay Michelle B, niligay niya yung Niks Skin sa arms, sa legs, and sa face. So, tayo. Ito na lang siya eh. Ito yung first tub ko. Naka-ready na yung second tub ko ng, ito na lang yung natitira from since December 9 na gamit ko. So, plano ko siyang gawin mask today. Tapos, lagyan ko din yung arms. Para self-care. Self-care natin. Tapos, bali dadamihan ko doon sa part na merong pigmentation. Ito, flat na to eh. Ito din mga flat. Hormona talaga yung acne ko kasi talagang madami dito. Ayan. Tapos, medyo basa pa. Plano ko lagyan yung arms. Yung Niks Skin Mousse, meron tong SPF ha. So, maganda din siya talagang ilagay. Pero hindi ko lalagyan ng makapal sa arms. Nakita ko lang kay Michelle B na nilagay din niya sa ibang parts ng katawan niya. May difference ba? Masyadong manipis. Kailangan natin. Medyo nakakalimutan kasi natin ang mas malaking portion ng skin natin. Lagyan din natin pa rin. So, during breaks, take time to take care of yourself, take your vitamins, take your skincare, yan, splurge on skincare. Yan. So, ako today, during health break, nagay ako ng makapal na Niks Skin Mousse to take care of my skin naman. So, eto, just a quick proof of life. Alam kong ang last video yata na upload ko is about yung last year's bike ride sa YouTube, no? Yun. Pero mas consistent ang upload ko sa Instagram and sa TikTok. Yun. Sa TikTok, makikita nyo na ginamit ko tong Niks Skin. And then, sa Instagram, sa mga stories ko, usually yung biking yung napopost ko eh. So, ano pala to guys? Available tong Niks Skin sa aking Bestie shop together with the vitamins na na-feature ko before. So, I will link to yung shop below para if you're interested in purchasing or checking it out kung anong gusto nyo, you may avail it na. Nakalimutan ko i-share pala guys. Ito yung favorite kong serum right now. This is from Niks Skin also. This one, ano to eh, Bretman made me buy na product siya. Pwede siyang, pwede siyang sa cheek, pwede siyang sa lips. Pero today, binabad ko lang sa lips. Kasi, medyo may nakababad pa sa face ko. I hope you also try this product. This is also available in my shop. DM lang kayo pwede sa Facebook page ng Bestie or sa Shopee account ng Bestie if you want to try this product. Ayan. So, thank you again for watching. I hope you all like this video. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to follow me in my social media accounts. And yes, if you want to check the other products, yung mga Niks Skin products, it's available in my Bestie shop. Check the link below. And then, for the Charis products naman, syempre, available naman ito sa aking Charis shop. Ayun. Sa link din below. So, thank you and see you again next time. Bye! Mwah!